it's Gabriella Brown. How are you today? I'm at the airport. Coming to get my cousin, my best friend in the world. I haven't seen her in 11 years. So she's come to visit me and I'm very excited. I love this airport. Hello there, it's Gabriella Brown. How are you today? I'm with my best friend, my cousin. She's with me. We've been together for a few days and I haven't been filming because we've just been catching up, but we're on our way to the store to get a propane tank because I have a pizza oven. I have a pizza oven coming. It's the truth. After about, let's see, how long has it been? I have been contemplating a pizza machine outdoor, and it started with the green egg. I had a green egg and I was going to get a separate one and I was going to make pizzas in it, and I never did. So it's been going on since 2012 or 13 at least, and I finally did it because I don't like this phrase, but you only live once, right? And my cousin's only here once in 11 years, so I'm like, all right, I'm getting it. So I did. I chose gas. I chose the gas. No, I did a lot of research. And it appears that these wooden stoves, these pellet stoves, are just little pellet hogs. And people have sort of complained about it, and they say the oven doesn't get hot enough. So this pizza oven that I have gets to be about 930 degrees. So we're gonna have fire roasted pizza. So I need the gas first. So we're gonna get the gas. And I've got some cool cheeses coming, even though my cousin doesn't really like cheese so much. Can you imagine that? She doesn't like cheese so much. A little mozzarella on her pizza. Well, here's the good news. I can make your own in a minute. These pies are gonna be flying in and out of that little pizza oven so fast. I'm just into it. I think I've spent probably, a day, 8 hours researching pizza ovens, every single one on the market. And I chose this one. It's not a popular brand, but it appears to do everything the popular brands do at a lower price point, which I always enjoy that. So that's what we're doing. And I got this cool table, and I'm just like balcony cooking all the way. So we are here at the store. We're gonna go inside and get a propane tank. The best cupcake in the world. What are you doing? Does this have gas in it?
That's already pre-filled.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then when I bring it back, I just come here and you switch it out.
Or you can fill them up at a propane station also. It's cheaper to fill up than buy it.
Where are the propane stations?
They have if you go down, they have a Chevron that fills up propane.
Okay,
It
awesome.
costs like the price of gas.
Oh,
So,
all right.
Yeah.
Okay. Got
It's
it.
usually cheaper to go that route. That's what I would be doing.
Okay. I didn't know that. I was trying to
Yeah.
figure this out. So, okay, great. Awesome.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Had to pull over. I saw a sign that said Heirloom tomatoes. Heirloom tomatoes sale. So here I am. I need some heirloom tomatoes. Let's find one. Okay, let's see here. I am gonna look for a short, sturdy stock. Yes, I could do it myself, but you know what? I just want to buy them, just because. I just want to buy some plants, some heirloom plants, and not break into my seeds. Let's see here. White currant. Isis. I don't know my tomato varieties that well. Cherry Falls. See, I need to know if these are determinate or indeterminate. Oh, there are the names. Okay. So So this is the white currant. It's a white cherry tomato. Okay, in a patio planter. That's what I need. So this might be good. I might get one of these. Wow. This is great. This is great. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I pulled over. These are all heirlooms too. They are an mission to keep these tomatoes going, and I'm all about this. Awesome, awesome. Because we need tomatoes for the pizza. It just occurred to me. I'm gonna have to grow fresh tomatoes for my fire roasted pizza. This is not even a question. Oh, here we go. They're telling us if they're indeterminate or determinate. And you know, right now, I can't remember, how does that go again? There's ones that are shorter. Excellent cool weather variety. 2 and a 2.5 foot, but this is it. I want the determinate plants, the shorter ones. So we want short, stocky plants. So this is gonna be a 2 to 2.5 foot bush. That's perfect. We don't want the ones that climb. You know, they can get to 14 feet tall sometimes. So this is awesome. So I want one of these. And they have some more green zebras are good too. Awesome. Okay, let's find someone so we can pay for these. So this is our tomato. This one, and which one is this? And the Mariglobe. These are both determinate tomatoes, and they're short little bushes, and that's what I want. Who's the lucky winner here? Which one am I gonna get? This Siberian right here. It's a little crooked. This one. This is the one. This is the one. That one, and then this one. Okay, so we're gonna get these two. Let's go over here really quick and see if these are a little bit bigger. I'm wondering if they've just been growing longer or they put them in bigger containers. I'm not sure. Let's see. So the black seamen are also indeterminate. So we could get one of these. So let's get a black seaman. These are bigger than the ones over there. We'll get one of those. And that's it. Those are the only ones that we would be able to grow right now. I'm going to try to do some tricky growing in my house and outside. I have some ideas for both. Okay, so how do we pay for these? There's no one here. They're not worried about people running off with the plants, apparently.
Ring doorbell for service.
Okay. So here is what we got. We got 3 plants, and it was cash only and no one's here, so they trust you to pay. So they say, if we're not here, just put the money in the drop box. And we had exactly what we needed, $15. So you know what? There are no coincidences in life. And these plants were meant to be in my possession. So today we're making mile-high pancakes. We can't do the pizza just yet, but we're gonna have breakfast for dinner. That means mile-high pancakes from my top secret recipes. Been saving these for decades. I've done this recipe at least 100 times and perfected it, and you will see how big these pancakes get. Okay, my pancake batter's too thick. It's not coming out. Oh man, are you serious? Okay. After all that, After all that research on the best pancake. Okay, so here we go. We're just gonna pour it out then. That's lame. That is lame, but these are still gonna be mile high. They might not be perfectly symmetrical, but they will be mile high nonetheless. They smell good already. I'm so hungry. This is not something I would normally say, oh, I'm hungry, let's eat pancakes, but we're doing it. So it doesn't work. It doesn't let out. It's too thick. My batter is too thick for this thing. You know, I can't even believe it. This is like for syrup. This is for syrup. This has maple syrup in here. I saw people demonstrate this and I think, well, okay, so yeah, it's not happening. Not happening. So okay, so let's see here. What do we got going? Here they are. Can you bring me that little spatula that I showed you, the little one? The little spatula. This little spatula, it's huge. It is huge. It's as big as my head. So we're just letting these cook a little bit. I'm waiting for them to become mile high. I can see they're not quite mile high just yet. They're actually disappointed. Okay. This was the right recipe, right? Wow, this smells nice. Oh wow, okay. I'll flip this guy. Whoops. This is a 400-degree griddle. First time using it, and it seems to be working just fine. Uh-oh. Well, you know what? That's about as quick as you can get. It said for a large crowd. It's just the two of us, but that's the quickest pancake making I've ever done. See, they're fluffy. They're fluffy. Maybe mile high is exaggerated, but that's what they're called. Okay, these are ready. They're gonna be burnt. I'm gonna take them off. This might be on a little bit too high, but look at that. Look at how mile high-ish it is. It's very, very, very. It's a high pancake. I'm just telling you. Okay, actually, I need another plate. So you. Okay, hold on. Eggs in here. That's alright. I'll eat that one. Okay, I'm doing a little taste test here to tell you if these are good or not. Now my cousin's being very kind and saying they're good, but I will be the judge of that. It's very pancakey. Tastes really good. I need the syrup. Actually, the syrup holder. That's not a pancake holder. It's a syrup holder. There's no way.
joke of the pancake dropper. There was one that was $10 more. And you know what? I think I got. I think I should have purchased that. Broke down. I spent $10 more. Tastes really good. I'm hungry.